Welcome everyone. If you're looking to make your event truly shine, today's video is for you. We'll be exploring how to use Midjourney to create stunning flyers and posters that grab attention and make your event unforgettable. I'll guide you through each step with practical examples. As always, don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra resources and tips to elevate your event promotion. Let's get started. Every memorable event has a unique vibe, and we want our visuals to communicate that instantly. The visual theme you choose sets the stage for what people can expect. So think about the mood. Is it something relaxed and inviting, bold and energetic, or elegant and sophisticated? Well, in this case, let's imagine we're designing a theme for a summer music festival with a chilled out, beachy vibe. So here's the prompt we'll be using in Midjourney right here to get started with that look. Here it is. So there are all the designs. There we go. All right. Now let's see what Midjourney comes up with based on this prompt. So the goal here is to capture that laid back tropical feel. So all while incorporating that vibrant colors and the retro elements. All right. So let's wait for a while for the process to finish. Just it might take a bit for a few seconds to process everything. All righty. There we go. Perfect. So these visuals, they really capture that warm, relaxed vibe we're aiming for. And they're already looking like an ideal fit for a summer festival. If you want to adjust this further, you could add keywords like vintage or neon for different effects. So play around with the results until you find the version that feels just right for your event's vibe. See, let me show you the rest of the results. And another one right here. Pretty cool. Now that we've established a strong visual theme, let's give our event a voice with a catchy slogan or tagline. A great slogan makes the event memorable and should reflect its unique energy. Think about the vibe you want to convey. Are you aiming for excitement, or even mystery, or even a sense of exclusivity? For our example, let's go with the neon night party theme that's fun and energetic. So let's see how we can prompt Midjourney to design with options for catchy slogan posters that we're aiming for. Here it is. I provided a text right here, party until dawn. All right, here we go. As you can see, now that it's sent, now let's give Midjourney a moment to generate some slogan posters that capture that lively, glowing atmosphere we're after. So it should take a moment, as usual. It won't take much longer. There we go. Just wait out a bit more. Alrighty. Just be patient. All right. There we go. The process is complete and nice. See? The slogan posters really bring out the energy of a neon night. See? Look at that. Very tropical, party like. This is perfect for an event that's all about fun and excitement. See, with the vibrant colors in there. Very perfect, I must say. Now, if you find this video helpful so far, don't forget to subscribe to get notified whenever we post a new video. And if you could take just 2 seconds to smash that like button, it would help us get traction in the YouTube algorithm. Alright, now it's time to bring our theme and slogan to life with some striking visuals. This is where we really get to set the mood and make the event feel real. Think about the key elements that represent your event. Maybe it's spooky imagery for a Halloween bash or high tech vibes for, let's say, a futuristic expo. So let's try a Halloween theme for our example and see how Midjourney can turn a few descriptive keywords into a compelling visual. I mean, it's currently October and it's Halloween season, so this could be fitting for the segment. Here we go, Spooky Mansion, Dark Forest, orange and black as usual, trademark color for the holiday, moonlight, detailed illustration, poster design style. There we go. Now that we've sent in our prompt, so let's give Midjourney a moment to generate visuals that really capture that eerie Halloween spirit. So we're looking for a haunting look that says Halloween at first glance. Okay, so it all depends on how Midjourney would generate the posters. Alrighty, would you look at that? So you can see Midjourney has delivered some perfectly eerie visuals. As you can see, Haunted Mansion, Misty Forest right over here, those classic Halloween colors, black and orange. So you can see right there. And this is exactly the kind of imagery that would draw people in for a Halloween event. If you want to refine this, you can try adding or tweaking details in your prompt like high contrast or textured illustration. Now, with just a few adjustments, you can shape these images into the ideal concept for your event flyer or poster. Now that we have our theme, slogan, and visuals ready, let's bring it all together by arranging the event details with an optimal layout. This is crucial because a clear, balanced layout makes sure that all your important information stands out and is easy to read at a glance. Think about the flow of the details, starting with the event name in bold, then key information like date and location, and finally, any extra details in a smaller font. Now, let's create a prompt for a clean, modern layout that pulls everything together. Here's the prompt. Right over here, I included some bit of information right there. Detail right there. And then the prompt is in. And now Midjourney will take those layout instructions and format everything in a way that's visually appealing and highly readable. All right, so let's see what it comes up with for our event flyer layout. Alrighty, let's see here. Wow, this looks fantastic, I must say. The layout really makes the event name pop right over there. See the name right over here. And there's the supporting details that are clearly visible without overwhelming the design right over here. See? Looks stunning, I must say. Now you can try variations by adjusting the prompt to explore different text placements like centered, stacked, or left aligned, just to see what best suits your style. See, looks pretty cool, I must say. Now, testing for readability, especially from a distance, can make a big difference in how your flyer or poster stands out online or in person. And that's it. You've got now all the essentials to design a professional flyer or poster for your event with Midjourney. Whether it's developing a theme, writing catchy slogans, bringing visuals to life, or arranging the perfect layout, these steps make it easy to grab attention and make your event memorable.